So this is the noise. Okay, so that was the cause of the noise. That little white lever was going back and forth so fast, making that buzzing. So the actuator solenoid was bad, or the motherboard was bad. But my fix right now was to just unplug it. Everything works fine, except for the door won't open. So when you load your pod in, just put it in the open door, or throw it in the bottom of the dishwasher. It'll be fine. Everything else works exactly the same. I have ordered that solenoid. It was a $14 part. When that comes in, I'm going to update this video and see if that was a fix. If it's the motherboard, it's $165 to $200. Not going to happen. Will not be replacing that. But dishwasher works fine, and there's no more noise. And it was unusual that I couldn't find any video out there that actually had this problem. That's why I posted this. So if it helps you, give me the thumbs up, and appreciate you watching this. Subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of other videos on this channel. Not all are how-tos, but a lot of fun stuff on my channel. Thanks a lot, guys, and take it easy. And P.S. Fix it yourself. If this didn't solve your problem, keep searching YouTube. I know you'll be able to find videos that show you how to fix something, your dishwasher specifically, and save you a bunch of money. So you guys take it easy. Thanks a lot.